Today we're going to be creating an awesome little message board system for your locker. So what you have is this great little cork board and a clipboard. Your clipboard is cooler than mine, but I wanted to save the good ones for you all. So the way we're going to start here is this cork board that you've gotten has an adhesive back already. So you're going to peel it off and stick it. So you can do it any way that you would like, or anywhere that you would like. I think it works best at the bottom because then it leaves room for you to clip things onto your clipboard at the top. But also, I do want to decorate this too. So everyone's gotten some tape that they can use to decorate their cork board, some thin tape, some thick tape, all different colors, right? So I'm going to stick this in place and then I'll put the tape on. I'm going to put mine right down at the bottom. I also gave you some white paint so that once you kind of know where everything is going, you can decorate your clipboard. I figured with your clipboards being the clear ones, it might look cool if you paint something from the back, maybe a design, you could put your name on it, anything that you like, but you can do some little painting to just suit your personality. Right, so I'm just going to do my initials. And when I'm done, I'll decide if I want to add any designs anywhere else, but just a little example. Alright, so I'm going to grab some washi tape. Let's see, my sticky notes. Also, we have Post-it notes. And so I'm going to put my Post-it notes off to the side. I've given you glue dots so you can safely secure your Post-it notes here, so that way you can just write a note for yourself and go. You can also write a note for yourself and use your push pins. Okay, so I can write myself a note and then stick it right onto my cork board. I've also given you these little clips that have pins on them, so the little clips can go into your cork board too. Maybe you want to put a little picture on there of your best friends or your pet, something like that. So the washi tape can also be used to decorate your board. So I'm going to use it to decorate not just my cork board, but I'm going to create some stripes along my clipboard as well. Do yellow and aqua. So I'm going to do the yellow around my cork board. And I'm just going to wrap it around the edge. Washi tape sticks pretty well, but if you need a little extra sticking power, sometimes depending on the brand they don't stick so well, you could just use a little bit of glue on a paintbrush or some hot glue just to keep it down. Just a little bit of glue to make it extra sticky. I think the washi tape I have is also kind of old, so it's not going to stick as well as the fresh stuff. Alright, so I'm going to go around and do that. Now you can decide just how you want to decorate it. You can cover the metal parts with washi tape. You can do stripes all the way across. So maybe I'm going to do some more stripes. Just make sure that this wraps around a little bit. I've tried to give everybody colors that coordinate contrast with the color of the clipboard that they have chosen. I tried to give everybody one of their top 2 choices at least. And again, if you feel like you need a little bit of glue on your washi tape, use a little bit of glue to hold down your design. Right, so you can get really creative. Again, your clipboard is a cooler color and pattern than mine, so maybe you don't need to make it look cooler, but you know, you can create stripes in here. You could do whatever you want. All right, so I'm gonna do my Post-it notepad. I'm gonna put my glue dots on the back of it to hold it in place. The glue dots will hold it very securely, but when you run out of Post-its and you need to replace it, they'll still peel off pretty easily, or this paper will peel off pretty easily, so that you can replace it with a new Post-it notepad. All right, but they are very sticky, as you can see. So I'm just gonna put this down here, give it a nice little press. I've also given you a plain clothespin, and the cool thing about this is also you can paint it or you can cover it in washi tape to coordinate. I'm gonna just put a little glue on here first to make sure it sticks really well. Okay, and with the same glue dots, I'm going to secure that down. You can use hot glue if you want, but the glue dots are just so easy. And you can kind of see, you can kind of stretch them to the shape. Okay, so I'm gonna put my clothespin right here. Push it down really well. Should probably put one on the other side too. All right. Put one underneath also. Push it down so that way I can put a quick little note right here. But like I said, you can paint it if you want. You can do more than one clothespin. I've given you more than one, so you can decide if that's how you want to do it. Okay, there we go. And you can put them wherever you want, so you don't have to put it on the side. You can put them here, and then maybe you can write a nice quote with your paint down the side, or you can add some vertical stripes to go against your horizontal stripe. This is really, I'm just showing you some of the possibilities, but you can really do anything you want, and you don't have to do what I'm doing in the slightest. Okay. So now I'm just going to grab some yarn and tie a knot right through the loop on top. And then I'm going to take the pen that I want for my locker and just tie a knot around it. So that way I always have a pen if I need to write myself a reminder when I'm at my locker. Right? And there it is. You can do whatever you would like to make your message board system totally custom. And you can put this in your locker however you would like. You can use the loop on the top with a command hook, easy and removable at the end of the year, or you can put really strong magnets on the back using glue or your glue dots just to hold it all in place. So this is just a really beginner's idea of how to customize, but you can add extra pens. Like I said, you have the clear ones, so maybe you do an entire pattern or something on the back that shows through. You can do washi tape everywhere you want, and you can even use duct tape if you have some of the fun pattern duct tape that's out there, but this is just a cool little back to school craft for your locker to make it feel a little bit more like your own.